நோடி ஆரோக்கியத்தின் அடையாளம்.
That is not true. Consider the animals living in the wild. They don't get diabetes, they don't get cancer, asthma, heart disease and arthritis, etc. And they do not take drugs to stay healthy. They don't go to health clubs or gym for their workout. Without drugs, without visit to doctors and without surgeries, animals live with no diseases and illness. They live healthy till the last moment of their death. God has not destined us to die of diseases. We don't have to be sick, and being sick is not normal. Being healthy is normal. It is being sick is abnormal. Many people think they are healthy, for they have no idea how good they can feel in their life, real healthy and being well. Wellness provides that feeling of goodness and the feeling of good health and wellness. Now let us visualize how the world of wellness will look like. In this world of wellness, everyone is happy, healthy and wealthy. Everyone experience well-being and celebrate living. They understand love is flowing everywhere. Everyone telling the other, I love you, I love you, I love you. Love, peace and harmony are the basis of daily living. People celebrate their ability to protect, nurture, care, uplift and respond with courage, trust, kindness, faith and gratitude. All decisions and actions are to protect and preserve nature and humanity. Food selection is made from nature, consuming fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, herbs and spices according to the season, region, culture and helping and enhancing everyone's natural healing powers. They know the relationship between food, ecology, ethics and empowerment. Self-care is the norm in this world of wellness. Production methods are always for enhancing nature's capacity to give. Natural living, natural farming and natural habitat are the visible symbols of this world of wellness. Recycling is the way for this world to flourish. Disease is not feared or ignored, but they are acknowledged as a signal for cleansing and regain inner vitality. All diseases are seen as symbols, healing symbols, as lessons for deepening our understanding of body wisdom and nature's inherent intelligence in action. Trusting the body and giving our body wisdom, the chance to create wellness is an art they have learned in the world of wellness. There is no dependence on short-term cures or quick fixes. Thus, self-care becomes health care and health care becomes earth care. Earth care is the focus. Take care of nature is the principle everyone follows. Truly, nature and the creations grow as partners, sustaining, supporting and healing all. Both death and birth are celebrated. Death is accepted as a renewal of life. This wisdom shines uppermost in the world of wellness. Thy will is being done is the spirit to all circumstances. This is collectively expressed and sustained. This culture become a part of wellness living. Their song is, "You have the power, I have the power. Together we protect and heal everyone." They function through the heart because they feel in them the flow of the universe. World of Wellness acts on certainty. All actions are based on deep reverence for life. It organizes the world around it and conforms to the natural order of things. These are natural laws that pervade through all life. In this, all are participants and co-creators. All share their ability to coordinate everything. In this participatory method, there is no control, no authority, no institution, no discrimination, and no domination. The rhythm